In the last episode, we found evidence of the word jerk and jerky before 1492 in English-speaking Europe. Now we're going to the New World to find out what words sound like jerk, jerky, and ARKY or have to do with the making of a jerk. Now, the New World is divided into North America, the Caribbean, and South America. Well, there were many tribes, so I'm just going to narrow it down to the major three: the North American Indians, the Taínos, and the South America Incas of the Quechua language. Are there any words that sound like jerk, jerky, and ARKY, or means the process of making jerk and jerky? So, of all the words in the New World, South America is the only one that has a word with a little jerky flavor to it, called charky. So, I decided to do some research on South America word charky. And while I was doing the research, I came across an AI just popped up and was voluntarily giving me information on indigenous communities that have lived in the Andean regions. So, since it was volunteering this information, I decided to ask it, where did the word ARKY originate? CH''ARKI. The AI called Meta AI with Llama 3, never heard of it, replied, the word ARKY, also called Charky, CHARKI, or CHARQUI, originates from the Quechua language, which was spoken by the Inca Empire and is still spoken by millions. Wow. So I said to the AI, or I texted, as you can see, show me evidence of the word ARKY in the Quechua language. It replies, here are some evidence and resources that demonstrate the word ARKY in the Quechua language. Number 1, Quechua Dictionary, ARKY, CH'ARKI, is listed in the Quechua Spanish Dictionary by Guns. Now, I know Guns. Guns, Gonz, is a shortening for Gonzales. Holguin was another missionary that was sent to South America. The first one was Fray Domingo de Santo Thomas. So I know his work and I know the words in his dictionary And the word CH apostrophe ARKI is nowhere to be found in all those words documented by the Quechua language. So I type to the AI, no evidence of the word spelled CHRKI was found in Spanish dictionary by Gonzales. The AI said, I apologize for the mistake. You are correct. You are correct. That word ARKY is not found in the Spanish Quechua dictionary by Gonzales. There it is, Gonzales, Holguin, 1608. I must have, for some reason, it just stopped at I must have. Also, I did not get to screenshot this. It says, finally, I found someone who's expert in this field. So I told it, I will return and teach you, my AI friend. Ha ha, LOL, laugh out loud. The AI replied, I'm looking forward to it. Come back anytime and share your experience with me. I'll be here ready to learn and improve. Don't forget to bring, I don't know, he'd stop right there. Maybe don't forget to bring some jerky. Anyway. So I've just proven to you that the word ARKY never existed in the Quechua language or existed at all. Even the AI got caught and confessed it that word never existed in the dictionary of Gonzales, because the Gonzales and Fray Domingo were the first two to document every word of the ancient Inca language Quechua. So if the word ARKY never existed, then where did the word jerky come from? I got the answer. So join me in my next video. I'm going to take it apart seasoning by seasoning, re-marinate it and hang it out to dry. Then cut it up into small jerky bites and present it to you. And it's up to you to tell me if the flavor you're tasting is jerky. Jerk's true name. Like and subscribe. Let's do this.
But the other Boston jerk is down there, right?
Huh?
The other Boston jerk is down there.
What is the original Boston jerk?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,